So the next batch of F150 Molle panels have just turned up. I have given this one a quick coat of bed spray liner, and I'm just going to do a quick install video how these go in. This one's going to go on the right hand side of my F150. Take off the hold down cleat there and in the bottom corner, and then this bolts together and bolts in place. It's that simple, but we'll run you through it. And if you're interested in this or any other of my F150 products, check out the Facebook page Evolution by Design, and I'll leave a link in the description below as well. Let's crack into this install. So all you got to do to prep for this is mount the off stand behind the Molle panel. Just screw it up loosely with the supplied bolts and hardware and whatnot. It's all stainless steel. Do it up loose, and then, like I said, take the two tie down points off, and we'll put the Molle panel up and put the tie down points back, and that's pretty much it. So these panels will come in raw aluminium. Obviously, if you want to powder coat them or paint them, you're gonna have to do that yourself. Just more for packing and shipping purposes. Like, I powder coat them and then they get damaged when they ship. It's just easier to do it once you've got them. Make sure that no harm comes to them, and you're saving yourself a heap of money if you just want to leave them in raw as well. So now that those bolts are all in, we're just going to do them up snug so that they can still move around a little bit. Pretty much like that. I'll rip these off, put this in, and go from there. These two down here out as well. They put these in and then sprayed the bed liner over the top, so you're going to need to use a knife or something like that just to cut it away, and then we'll put it all back together. It's just sitting in place. Now put the hooks back in. Right, now that's in, we'll just do up the tighten up these last screws, and that is it. Done and dusted. Left hand side F150 Molle panel installed. These full ones are available for left hand side and right hand side for XLT or any model that doesn't have the power in the tub, and obviously the other one's available for the left hand side for both this and the one with the hole in it for the power panel and power protection panels that go with it. If you're keen on these, jump into Evolution by Design and hit us up. Cheers.